Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be looking at the Amazon travel must-haves in 2023. Now obviously one of the most important things that you have to keep in mind is getting the right travel essentials. Take the guesswork out of packing and start with these travel essentials that we're going to be giving you today. From the obvious to the ingenious, discover the must-haves that you'll need to ensure that your trip is going to be successful. If you're one of those people who forget and leave everything to the last minute when it comes to packing, then you know how stressful packing at the last minute can get, and chances are you're always gonna leave some or other travel essentials behind, and using a packing list is a total lifesaver when you're in a packing jam. But even if you're the most organized traveler, it can be tricky to figure out exactly which travel essentials that you're gonna need. If you follow our 10 travel essentials, then you won't have a problem. At number 10, always have weather appropriate clothes, because these are essential, and you'd be surprised how many people forget to check the weather forecast. The last thing you want to do is find yourself stranded in a foreign country with all the wrong clothes. Despite what the forecast says, you will never go wrong packing a light and warm jacket. At number 9, we've got headphones, because the headphones are among the top must-have travel essentials for every vacation, guys. This is one of those items that we spend a bit more money on because durability and quality is very important. And obviously always have a pair of noise cancelling headphones that come in handy if you're staying in hostels during a backpacking trip. And headphones are essential for digital nomads who need to focus while working in public spaces. And number 8, have an emergency kit, because accidents and emergencies can happen. A little first aid kit can be a real lifesaver when you're in a foreign country or on an outdoor adventure. And obviously you should carry band-aids and gauze pads and antiseptic wipes in your emergency kit. These are the basics to deal with the cuts and bruises. Pain and headache relievers are also crucial to have on hand. Allergy medication is a must if you get stuffy during weather changes or around dust and pets. And obviously guys, when you have that, at number 7, you need to have a toiletry bag, because your toiletry bag is probably the most essential for all the travel essentials. It's your primary source of hygiene, guys, so you need to make sure it's practical and not stuffed with impractical items. Stick to a packing list travel essentials in your toiletry, such as a travel size shampoo and conditioner, soap, toothbrush and toothpaste, deodorant, razor essential to everyday makeup if you're a girl, and mini travel hairbrush and contact lenses cases and solution if they're needed, lotion, and always have sunscreen. And keep a nail clipper or filer as well. And obviously when you have all these elements together, you can travel with a sound mind. At number 6, always have a book or Kindle, because books are fantastic for those endless airport layovers and flights where you can't sleep. And of course guys, there's nothing better than lying on the beach or sitting at a cafe and spending some time reading a good book. Your vacation is when you get time to catch up on some fun reading, so make sure that you bring along an exciting book on your trip. And another excellent investment is buying a Kindle and downloading a bunch of different books without having to worry about the extra weight. The Kindle Paperwhite is a cute, compact device that will give you hours of reading pleasure. At number 5, have a small or travel-focused wallet. You want to be practical and only bring the travel essentials like your ID and credit cards. Investing in a nice small wallet is a smart idea, guys. If not the smallest in size, make sure your wallet has features that are helpful when traveling, like the RFID blocking or the ability to hold your passport as well. Smaller wallets are safer and easier to carry during the day, fitting into small bags and in your pockets out of the sight of pickpockets. At number 4, always have a purse or a crossbody sling. Sometimes traveling can mean an entire day outside roaming the streets and getting to know the place you're visiting, so it's essential to bring a practical and safe purse. You don't want to lug a backpack around every single day. Bring a small bag that's hard to open just in case you bump into pickpocketers in the busiest cities and streets. And if you're spending the day on the beach or picnicking at the park, a foldable bag is a stylish and practical way to carry everything that you need, since they fold up into smaller layers and you can easily pack them into your main luggage without taking up too much space. If you're going on a more adventurous vacation, a crossbody sling is perfect for carrying all the travel essentials essentials that you'll need during the day. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to get a backpack. At number 3, we've got electronics. Remember your charger unless you're willing to pay a fortune for one at the airport. And just as important is bringing the right adapter, guys. Before traveling, research the plug types at your destination and ensure that you have the correct adapter. A universal adapter that works with many different plug type is worthwhile investment. And check for chargers before you leave the house and bring them in your handbag so you can also charge your electronics at the airport. You can also get a portable charger, perfect for trips where you spend a lot of times away from your accommodation. At number 2, sleeping mask. A sleeping mask is a highly underrated little item for comfort both at home and while out traveling. If you're light sensitive and struggle to sleep in anything but pitch black, then a sleeping mask should be at the very top of your travel essential list. At number 1, packing cubes. Packing cubes are essential because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that everything that you put into your backpacks and into your luggage is well organized. And that is why packing cubes are great, because you can organize everything in your suitcase in different sections without messing it all up in search of just one item. And that is the reason why we have to make sure that the packing cubes hold your clothes together compactly and making it much easier to fit everything in, guys. And obviously, we gotta keep something in mind, guys. Planning is the most crucial element when it comes to a successful trip abroad. So make sure that you follow our top 10 list today to ensure that you grab all these travel essentials to have a successful travel abroad. If you like the video, guys, do let us know in the comment section below and share what kind of travel essentials that you take when you travel abroad as well. And if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.